Do you know that the best way to make money online is by freelancing? You heard that right. A lot of people from around the world work at home and make money online by freelancing, especially people from the Philippines. Now, before we tell you the websites, here is a short info for people who are curious about freelancing. Freelancing is a contract-based profession where instead of being recruited in an organization, the person uses his skills and experience to provide services to a number of clients. Freelancing is when you use your skills, education, and experience to work with multiple clients and take on various assignments without committing to a single employer. Freelancing usually involves jobs, called gigs, that allow you to work from home situations. What does freelancers do? Freelancers take on contract work for companies and organizations. They are ultimately self-employed. Freelancers are also professionals or simply skilled persons. They can be designers, writers, programmers, translators, marketers, photographer, video editor, and others. So where do they find clients to work for to make money online? Here are the top 5 best websites for freelancers to make money online. 1. Freelancer. www.freelancer.com, winner of multiple People's Choice Webby Awards, Freelancer turns ideas into reality. We are the world's largest freelancing and crowdsourcing marketplace that connects employers and freelancers. Hire the best talent, or find work from anywhere in the world. 2. Upwork. www.upwork.com, Upwork is the largest online talent solution connecting businesses and skilled freelance professionals. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility of finding rewarding work from anywhere across the globe, including opportunities to work with startups to large, established brands. Upwork was created to give freelancers and agencies the ability to start, run, and grow their own businesses. 3. People per hour. www.peopleperhour.com, People per Hour connects small businesses with an international community of over 1.5 million freelancers. Discover rated and reviewed experts for every skill imaginable. One discovery could change your business forever. 4. Fiverr. www.fiverr.com, Fiverr provides instant access to a global network of remote freelancers. Fiverr connects entrepreneurs to experts to help them get every great idea done. Whether you need a variety of services to build your business from the ground up or one expert to complete one perfect job, Fiverr offers a world of creative freelancers. It's on-demand quality work, right at your fingertips. 5. Craigslist. www.craigslist.com. You might wonder why this website is on top 5. But only pro freelancers will understand that in its listings, you can also find gigs. Thank you for watching. If you have learned new things in this video, please hit the like button. Share it to your social accounts to support us. And hit the subscribe button if you want more videos.